boats. As you can see over here, the water over here is blue, but it's not the clear water that that the area is known for. So we're going about an hour outside just to see the water in Playa Blanca, which means white beach. So. So about an hour later, we're at Playa Blanca. Dang, it's hot out here. It's so hot. Mad people here too, but looks pretty good for right now. All the vendors out. Good vibes, good energy so far. But if you keep walking, you got the whole beach to yourself. So make sure to keep walking. You got the beautiful clear waters, white soft sand. But just beware, it is hot, y'all. Hot. Yo, this beach is so beautiful, man. We got our own spot over here. My boy Aga getting his back rubbed over here. Dang, this is the life, y'all. The life. She turned my boy around. Rubbing him the whole body. Really stretching my boy out. On the beach. This is the vibe, y'all. KO. What a vibe. Taking care of my boys. And next we about to get on these jet skis, yo. So I'm not taking my phone with me, but I'm taking my drone. I hope I get some real dope footage, but make sure you bargain with these people because there's a lot of different vendors. And this is just a vibe. Great East, my boy JD, my boy Aga. Got the beach, beautiful views, away from everybody, underneath the tree. Just got the fruit delivered to us as well. Same views, same views. Las frutas. And just like that, it's been an amazing day. Watch the sunset on the beach. Got massages, got great food. Way overpriced, but good time. I don't regret it at all.